Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Wpforms active and WordPress updated, because outdated code breaks integration. Next, go to Google Recaptcha, choose V2 checkbox or V3 and register your site. This gives you a site key and secret key. Once done, copy both keys and ensure your registered domain matches your site URL. Make sure to select the correct reCAPTCHA type. The wrong version changes how Wpforms validates users. Now go into Wpforms settings and open the CAPTCHA tab. Choose the same reCAPTCHA type you registered with Google so keys pair correctly. Paste the site key into the site key field and the secret key into the secret field, then save changes. After saving, edit the form you want to protect, add the reCAPTCHA field, and position it near the Submit button. Once configured, test the form in a private window to verify the widget or invisible token appears. Finish by submitting the form several times in private mode to confirm reCAPTCHA blocks bots and permits real users. Observe visual widget or V3 score behavior. If something fails, make sure the site and secret keys match the Google console entry and that the registered domain is exact. Also confirm you chose V2 versus V3 consistently. If problems persist, open the browser console and enable WP debug to capture errors. These logs usually reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.